This time we're going to look at another route through an array, and it's an iterator block. And so first what we're going to do is go to Ruby Interactive and create an array. And do it with strings. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 elements in the array. Now to route through with an iterator block, it's the array's got a method called each, and each method goes through each single element one at a time, and it will execute one command at a time in a block. When you attach a block of code to it, the block of code can execute that block of code every time each goes through one element. And so I'm going to demonstrate that with the each command. So it's Charles's array dot each, and to show you the completion blocking, I'm going to tab twice and it will show you the methods. It's because it was only one each, it filled in itself. So if I just go to E, tab twice, it's going to show you all the each methods. Okay, and so each, and then I have to make the block of code, and a pipe with a variable inside it. Just call it, again it's a variable, so you can call it what you want. It's going to contain the element which each is going to pass to it. So I'm just going to call it X, just keep it simple. And outside the pipe, the two, it's like, I don't know what you call that character, but you use it in the OR statement. It's two of them, but this has got an X in between. So I'm just going to do puts X, and so it's going to print out each element one row at a time. And so that's the command completed. If I hit enter, and it's so computer, the first element, laptop second, mobile third, and iPad fourth. And again we can change this to, we can change Charles.h the X. That's the variable that's going to hold the element, and then the code after it's going to do something with that element if we choose to, because we could actually just do put s hi, and it will do that 5 times. No, it doesn't. Yeah, I made a mistake. Sorry, made a mistake. I forgot to put the double quotes after the hi. Dot each. We'll find. Maybe it doesn't work. We'll find out. Hi. that. No. So maybe that doesn't work, but yeah, sorry. Control C, break it. Try it again, sorry. Just bear with me. Yeah, it does work. Why it wasn't working is because I made a mistake. It was still, and it was held in some kind of limbo, waiting for the command to be completed, and so I had to do the Control C to break the control of it and get back to the prompt where I can type in a command. So I've printed the screen. I've put the string on screen high 5 times, even though the X after each element represents the element. Like first it will hold computer, second it will hold laptop, third it will hold mobile, and fourth it will hold iPad. So I'm going to do Charles dot H X. You can call it anything, so I'll call it XX. This one word, and print instead of put S and XX. Enter. And instead of it listing computer, laptop, mobile, iPad one at a time underneath each other in a column, it's listed them one after each other in a row. And I showed you in another tutorial that that's the difference between the print and put S. And so each, we'll call it B this time, and print B, comma, colon, backslash, N. And so what we're adding to it is a new line, and so it will now behave as if it was put S, and end of the, yeah, so it's done computer, new line, laptop, mobile, iPad, and it's because we added a new line character to it. So that's the iterator block you use to route through an array. A block of code is anything in between the two curly braces, and it's also do and end. We're going to come to that. Anything in between that is in a block as well. So we're going to come to that. So again, thank you for your time, and I hope that helped. Thank you.